Hi, this is Alan for Ripperton Resources LLC. And today I want to announce our newest product, and it's a mount for M12 tools. Our new mount will enable you to mount your M12 tool under a cabinet, under a table or a workbench, or something like that where you need easy access to your tools. Here is our new mount. It has been designed for the M12. And you can tell on the top here we've got two mounting holes. These holes will accept a number 10 screw or 5mm if you're on the metric system or you want to use a metric screw. It's closed on this side and open on this side, and has this feature here to help capture the tool. Now it'll hold almost any M12 tool, and there's two modes that you can capture it in. And on most M12 tools, you can see that there's usually a selector switch for forward and reverse. And this selector switch can either go above this drop down or this holding feature, or below it. I found that below it allows you to really secure it into place, but if you can put it above it as well. Now the only thing you have to be careful of is if you put any mountings here on the sides to hold bits and things. I'm not sure that this will work for you unless you put it in this mode where you're putting the reverse and forward selector above the bottom of the holding feature here, the beveled feature. That's the driver. This is the screwdriver. It fits the same way. And then also the stubby torque wrench, my beloved stubby. It fits as well. It will not fit above. Well, you can get it to fit, but it kind of goes on an angle. But on this one, you can fit it like that for sure. We provide this angle bracket, and when you install this onto the top, it'll install this on a slight angle. So that you can, when you put it underneath your cabinet or your table, the tool will go in on an angle. We have two colors that we offer as standard. We have red and black. It comes in either color. If you really need a different angle, let us know, and we can make it and provide it with a different angle if you desire. I wanted to show you this on the edge of my bench. I've been using this setup here for at least 2 months. I wanted to really get some good usage on this product before we released it. And I wanted to see if it was sturdy enough, strong enough, and was going to hold up to abuse of working on a bench every day to build the products that we sell. And what I normally use is the little impact and the screwdriver, both installed. They're very handy. I take it out, use it, and put it back. I take it out, use it, and I'll put it back. Holds them quite well. Very convenient. Before this, I was setting these all over the bench, and every time I went to reach to use it, it was somewhere, it was out of reach. I couldn't find it under something or whatever. And here, I always know where they're at. And when I'm finished with them, I just put them back. I'm quite happy with how these work. And also, I mean, they'll hold the stubby as well. We have them in stock today. Again, standard colors are black and red. We will sell these in a single pack or a double pack. And if you want to buy a big group of them, contact us. We'll work out a deal for a larger quantity. Get yours today. Link below. Ripperton Resources offers 3D design, scanning, and printing services. We can work with a wide range of materials, from general purpose materials such as PLA and PETG, through engineering materials, nylons and carbon fiber nylons, glass-filled nylons, through high performance materials, and then all the way up to ultra performance materials such as PEEK. About half of our Milwaukee tool mounts are from customer suggestions. If you have a custom application or product idea, we'd love to discuss it with you. We can work with you to bring that application or product idea to reality. For more information, you can visit our website at rippertonresources.com, or you can email us at contact@rippertonresources.com. Thank you and have a great day.